I've just traveled to the Guanacaste region of Costa Rica to spend the month of December in Playas del Coco. I chose this beach town for its easy access to the ocean and the slower, softer pace I've been craving since I moved to Costa Rica. In today's video, I'm going to show you what living here actually looks like, starting with the beachside apartment I'm calling home this month. Whether you are a backpacker or a digital nomad, I hope you can find this helpful. Okay, the beach was so fun. I think that it's time to head back and maybe eat some dinner, but I just wanted to point out, look at my sandals. They're literally falling apart. These are the ones that I showed y'all that I glued back together, and I think that they might be too far gone this time, so maybe I'll have to get new ones, but let's go. This complex is the Marina Lofts Apar Hotel. It's apartments and a hotel organization where you can have short or long-term stays. The longer you stay, the less you pay. So right now, if you stay 6 months or more, the rent is $600 per month. If you stay shorter than that, then it increases accordingly. I'm only staying here for a month, and so my total rent came up to around $800. Here is the complex. As you can see, it comes with a couch. So it is fully furnished with a couch, bed, bathroom supplies. It has a fully functioning standing shower. This is a half bath setup. Really great lighting. All the corners had this soft yellow light, and so it was a very cozy stay for me. There's a convection stove, sink, stainless steel appliances. As you can see, it's very well equipped, and the views are quite lovely. It also comes with a microwave and a full fridge. There's also chairs and a table included, 2 chairs, a half closet, and behind these glass sliding doors is the small room. So this is a 1-bedroom. I believe there are other sizes if you're interested in that, but this was a 1-bedroom. It had a drying rack, which I believe was placed there from the person that I am renting from, but this particular room and all of the others come with a desk and a chair as well, which is perfect for nomads and others working abroad. A TV is also included, as well as an AC unit, and so there are also fans on the ceiling, and it is very well equipped for the hot weather and the tropical weather on this coast. This is a rectangular shaped complex, so there are stairways on all 4 sides, and they lead up and down to the 3 levels, all of which have balcony space and outdoor seating areas. Here is the pool area. This is such a lovely pool place. They have lounge chairs available. The water was crystal clear, and there was also outdoor showering spaces, and you can rearrange the lounging chairs as desired. This is a jacuzzi attached to the pool that is like a waterfall aspect where if the water gets too high in the jacuzzi, it will run off into the pool, which keeps the pool a little warm, although it was not working when we were there. So maybe you can check it out and you might have better luck. I am just chilling here by the pool. And I'm gonna get ready to do some work here on my laptop, so I just thought maybe y'all might want to come hang out with me by the pool and have a super relaxing, productive day.